Hi there, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We bring you so many informative videos on different concepts based on modern healthcare. I would like to welcome you all to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant updates of a new informative video. You can also visit our blog www.learnbiomedengine.blogspot.com to learn more on the concepts we share in our videos. We can support you in advertising your healthcare products, we can promote your healthcare events, we can provide technical reviews for your medical devices, and many online supports to boost up your healthcare business. If you are interested to get support from us, please contact us in the given mail ID. Today's video is about hand hygiene from personal protective equipment. Hand hygiene is one of the most important aspects of protecting ourselves from the transmission of infections. It prevents us from many hazards. If you don't carry out proper hand hygiene, it leads to health issues associated with infections. Wash your hands with hand wash or soap to get rid of germs and microorganisms. Alcohol-based sanitizer are highly recommended for decontamination of hands. The purpose of hand hygiene is to reduce the transmission of microorganisms, reduces infection, and prevents us from contamination. Hand hygiene must be performed before touching a patient, before cleaning aseptic procedures, after exposure to body fluids, after touching a patient, and after touching infected areas and patient surroundings. What are the steps for washing hands? At first, wet your hands and apply liquid soap to create good lather. The temperature of the water should be between 35 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. Rub your hands palm to palm in circular motion. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rub the back of each hand using fingers. Interlock your fingers, then rub your palms and fingers together. Cup your fingers together with your right hand over the left and vice versa. Enclose your right hand around your left thumb and rub as you rotate it and then swap. Once you finish, thoroughly rinse your hands with warm running water and dry your hand with a clean towel. Then, finally use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Some safety practices that must be practiced and they include use of personal protective equipment, proper hand hygiene, respiratory hygiene, safe injection practices, using sterile instruments and working in clean and disinfected environmental surfaces. Our personal protective equipment videos end here. If you missed watching our personal protective equipment videos, please watch it soon in our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel to your friends and colleagues, and please like our YouTube videos. You can also follow us in any of the social media platforms and the links are given in the description below. Hope you all enjoy watching our videos. Thank you for watching.